Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In the limits MZJ means BitSat and questions. Today we are going to learn a different concept and the problems which are related to the type. Suppose the given limit extends to a f of x whole power g of x is of the form 1 power infinity. Suppose while applying the limit, if it reaches to 1 power infinity, so what we have to do that? So whenever the given limit reaches to 1 power infinity, the given limit we can write it as, this can be expressed as, the given limit can be expressed as e power limit extends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. This is the way you have to apply. This is the procedure you have to follow. Whenever the given limit value reaches to 1 power infinity, this procedure you have to follow. For example, we will discuss the problems based on this. The first question number 1. Limit extends to 1 log of 3x to the base 3 whole power log 3 to the base x is equal to options e, second option e power minus 1, third option minus 1, fourth option plus 1. First, we have to verify whether the given limit reaches to 1 power infinity or not. X is equal to 1, substitute log 3 to the base 3 is 1. X is equal to 1, substitute it will becomes log 3. X tends to x is equal to, so 1 power log 3 to the base x means what? Log 3 by log x. Log x value is 1 means anything by 0 is infinity. So 1 power infinity, it is reaches to 1 power infinity. So whenever 1 power infinity, what we have to write it? The given limit can be expressed as e power, this is f of x, this is g of x. So log of 3x to the base 3 is f of x. G of x is log 3 to the base x. So based on the formula, limit extends to 1. G of x means log 3 to the base x into log 3x to the base 3 minus 1. So we applied the formula. After that, we have the formulas of logarithms. Log AB to the base e is equal to log A to the base e plus log B to the base e. So it will becomes e power limit extends to 1 log 3 to the base x into this log 3x to the base 3 can be written as, here 3x is there now. So log 3 to the base 3 plus log x to the base 3 minus 1. We know that log of any number to the base of same number is always equal to 1. So by using this, log 3 to the base 3 value is equal to 1 only, no? So e power limit extends to 1 log 3 to the base x into 1 plus log x to the base 3 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So which is equal to e power limit x tends to 1 log 3 to the base x into log x to the base 3. So here two ways are there. We have number of formulas. Log a to the base b into log b to the base a is equal to 1. We can write directly also. Otherwise, we can apply this formula. So this value goes to be 1 directly we can. Suppose if we do not want this formula, we can go another way. Log a to the base b can be written as 1 by log b to the base c. Base and the number will interchange. So based on that also, log x to the base 3 can be written as 1 by log 3 to the base x. Both will be cancelled anyway. So e power, limit extends to 1, 1. Limit of constant is constant only. No? So e power 1, which is equal to e. So therefore, for the given problem, the answer is first option. We'll move to the next question. The similar methods we are going to discuss, similar problems. I hope you understand the problems. This is second problem. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole power sin x divided by x minus sin x. This is the question, which is equal to options e square, e power 3 and e power minus 1. So how to do? The similar way I am going to follow. First, what we have to do? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x value is what? Generally it is 1. So 1 power, obviously x is equal to 0, substitute means infinity by infinity only will come. So again it is going to reach in 1 power infinity. So whenever the given limit will be 1 power infinity, we can write it as limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole power sin x divided by x minus sin x can be written as e power g of x, limit x tends to 0, sin x divided by x minus sin x into f of x minus 1, sin x by x minus 1. First, this is the way you have to write. After that, we can simplify e power limit x tends to 0, sin x divided by x minus sin x, take LCM x, sin x minus x. That also can be written as e power limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, observe carefully, here these two I am taking as a one function, into here sin x by x is there, no? So minus I am taking common, x minus sin x divided by x minus sin x is there. So x minus sin x get cancelled, minus is there, you have to remember. E power minus we can take outside, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. So limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1, standard limit. So e power minus 1. Since we have limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, which is equal to 1. So e power minus 1 or 1 by e, both are the right answers. So e power minus 1 we have, I think. This is the right option. Once again, I'll scroll down slowly. You can I hope everyone understand. We'll move to the next question. Question number 3. A function f is defining from R to R is such that f of 1 equal to 3 and f dash of 1 is equal to 6. Then limit extends to 0, f of 1 plus x by f of 1 whole power 1 by x is equal to, the first option is 1, second option e square, third option e power 1 by 2, fourth option e cube. So here, how to approach this type of problem? This is also belongs to limit extends to a f of x whole power g of x. It reaches to 1 power infinity form. That is the reason I am explaining now. See here, x is equal to 0 if you substitute in the given limit. Limit extends to 0, f of 1 plus x by f of 1 whole power 1 by x, which is equal to, x is equal to 0 if you substitute. So it will become simply f of 1 by f of 1 whole power 1 by x, 1 power 1 by 0, that is 1 power infinity. So obviously 1 power infinity. Whenever you are getting 1 power infinity, what we have to do? Our duty. So it can be written as, the given limit can be written as e power limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. G of x, that means g of x is what among this? 1 by x. G of x into f of x minus 1. So that means f of 1 plus x by f of 1 minus 1. So now simplify, e power limit extends to 0, 1 by x, f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 divided by f of 1. So what I am doing is, in the next step, f of 1 and x I am interchanging their places. Why? Because to get the formula form, e power limit extends to 0, 1 by f of 1, f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 divided by x. After that, f of 1 by f of 1 means constant only, no? So what we have to do is, e power limit extends to 0, 1 by f of 1. Here x can be written as f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 divided by 1 plus x minus 1. So we are adding and subtracting to the denominator 1. Why? Because to get the formula form. What formula? That we will come into the next step now. E power 1 by f of 1 limit extends to 0, f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 divided by 1 plus x minus 1. X extends to 0 means extends to 0 can be written as, you are adding 1 on both sides, so 1 plus x tends to 1 only, no? So wherever x tends to 0 is there, 1 plus x tends to 1, we can write it. So e power 1 by f of 1 limit 1 plus x tends to 1, f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 divided by 1 plus x minus 1. So here, which formula we are going to apply, that I am going to write here. Limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a, that is equal to f dash of a. So this is the derivative of the function at x is equal to a. In place of a, what value is there? 1 is there. In place of x, 1 plus x is there. In place of a, 1 is there. So that means this bracket value represents the derivative of the function at x is equal to 1. So we can write it as e power 1 by f of 1. This bracket value we can write it as f dash of 1 by using this bracket formula. Limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a is the formula for derivative of the function at x is equal to a. In place of a, 1 is there. So derivative of the function at x is equal to 1. So which is equal to e power f dash of 1 and f of 1. Both values we have now. It is given in that question. So e power f dash of 1. What is f dash of 1? 6. F of 1 is 3. So 6 by 3, which is equal to e power 2. So e power 2 is the right answer. So which is there in the second option. I hope everyone understand that. The next question. Question number 4. Limit x tends to 0, tan of pi by 4 plus x whole power 1 by x equal to options e square, e power minus 1, e power minus 2. These are the options available for us. So how to do that? Once again, x is equal to 0 if you substitute tan pi by 4, that value is 1, 1 by 0, infinity. So again it is going to get in the form of 1 power infinity. So whenever 1 power infinity is there, the given limit can be written as limit x tends to 0, tan of pi by 4 plus x whole power 1 by x can be written as e power g of x. G of x is what? Sorry, before that you have to write limit x tends to 0, 1 by x into key bracket tan of pi by 4 plus x minus 1. So 1 by x into tan of pi by 4 plus x minus 1. So you have to apply the formula for, we know that tan of pi by 4 plus x equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. This is the formula, standard results in the trigonometry. So the above limit can be written as e power limit x tends to 0, 1 by x, 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x minus 1. So e power limit x tends to 0, 1 by x, take LCM here, 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x minus 1 plus tan x. So plus 1 minus 1 anyway get cancelled. So e power limit x tends to 0, tan x plus tan x is 2 tan x divided by x into 1 minus tan x. So 2 is constant, we can take outside of the limit. E power 2 into limit x tends to 0, tan x by x we can write as one function The rest of the function also another one, limit extends to 0, 1 by 1 minus tan x. So we know that limit extends to 0, tan x by x is 1, so 2 into 1, x is equal to 0 if you substitute 1 by 1 minus 0. So ultimately 2. So e power 2 is the answer for the given question. E power 2. E power 2 means second option. That means e square. So whenever you are getting 1 power infinity, so this is the way you have to do that, dear students. And in this session, the last question based on the same concept we have to discuss. So the question is question number 5. Limit extends to 1. Limit extends to 1. 2 minus x whole power tan pi by 2 x. Tan pi by 2 x. That means pi x by 2. That is the meaning. Which is equal to. So first option e power 1 by pi. Second option e power 2 by pi. Third option e power minus e power 2 by pi. Fourth option e. So here also observe carefully, x is equal to 1 if we substitute 2 minus 1, 1, tan pi by 2, infinity. So 1 power infinity we are reaching. So whenever 1 power infinity is there, what we have to do? 1 power infinity is there means we can approach e power limit extends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. So now step by step, limit extends to 1, 2 minus x whole power tan of pi by 2x is equal to e power limit extends to 1, tan of pi by 2x into 2 minus x minus 1. So g of x into f of x minus 1 completed. In the next step, e power limit extends to 1, tan pi by 2x. Tan can be written as reciprocal of cot. So 2 minus x minus 1 is 1 minus x by cot of pi by 2x. The reciprocal of tan is cot. So tan pi by 2x can be written as cot pi by 2x. Again, cot theta can be written as the tan of pi by 2 minus theta. In the coming step, e power limit extends to 1 can be written as limit x minus 1 tends to 0, 1 minus x divided by cot of pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2x can be written as tan of pi by 2 minus pi by 2x. So take common pi by 2 from here. E power limit x minus 1 tends to 0, 1 minus x divided by tan of pi by 2 into 1 minus x. Again you can write it as e power 1 by limit x minus 1 tends to 0, tan of pi by 2 into 1 minus x whole divided by 1 minus x. We can write like this. So that also we have a formula. Which formula we have? Limit extends to 0, tan ax by x is equal to a. So here a value is what? Pi by 2. According to the question is pi by 2. So e power 1 by this bracket value, denominator bracket value is pi by 2. So that also can be written as e power 1 by pi by 2 means e power 2 by pi. So limit x tends to 1, 2 minus x whole power tan pi by 2 x is equal to e power 2 by pi, which is there in the second option. Slowly once again I will scroll up. Thank you all for watching my channel Maths with Panindra. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. And one more important thing, one of our students Telegram channel is there. I will keep in the my description. Please go through that Telegram channel, which is Ramesh channel. Thank you all.